Hey Must-Do Travels tribe, today we're checking out San Francisco, a famous city in Northern California that is known for the Golden Gate Bridge, cable cars, and stunning Victorian homes. Let's go explore. Once called the bridge that couldn't be built, the Golden Gate Bridge is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. San Francisco's most famous landmark opened in 1937 and is now one of the most photogenic backdrops around. Pier 39 is a busy boardwalk where you can find stores, restaurants, a video arcade, street performances, and so much more. Tourists also come from all over to take in the views of California's sea lions that can be found out on docks on Pier 39's marina. Lombard Street is one of America's most crooked streets and is also one of the steepest. The street was created with sharp curves that crisscross down the one-way hill. Drive or walk down and you'll find some of the most beautiful Victorian mansions you've ever seen. As one of the most visited neighborhoods in the city, Fisherman's Wharf has earned its popularity due to its wide array of restaurants right on the water, serving up fresh from the ocean seafood. You can also find postcard views of the Bay, Golden Gate Bridge, and Alcatraz. Alcatraz was a federal maximum security prison on Alcatraz Island, 1.25 miles off the coast of San Francisco. Today it's a must-do to take a tour and visit the prison that held some of the most notorious criminals such as Al Capone, George Machine Gun Kelly, and Robert the Birdman Stroud. Thanks for watching. Share your San Francisco stories with us down below in the comments, and as always, smash up that like button and don't forget to subscribe.